Hi friends, welcome back. Today we will learn about the formula of sum and percentage. Just to make it easy, I just have taken any of the class name class and just put all the student name and the serial numbers and the marks which they got. Make sure you enter the correct marks because these are all manual and you just need to ensure that the correct marks are entered for to get the correct total and the percentage. So it's very easy when you need to have the total. You just select the first row for the first student and till the bar where till the column where you need the total and just click on this sum tool, right? As soon as you click on sum tool, it will give you the total marks of that student. There are other ways of doing it as well, which will make it easy. Suppose there are multiple rows, just do it for first and just double click here. So it will take you to the last row, whichever is there, and will give the total of all students. So this is very easy to get the formula of the sum, which is easy. Now the percentage. So the percentage, every formula starts with equal to sign and the 353 marks which the first student has got out of 5 subjects. So each subject was of 100 marks. So we will just click 500 here, 100 multiplied by 5, which is 500. So as soon as you click on 71, it will give you percentage. You can click here and it will give you percentage. And you just again double click on this and it will give you percentage of all the students. So I hope this helped you and this is very easy. I hope it will be a quick learning. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. Take care. Bye.